Welcome to ShaMai Corner. Easy fish fry. I do want to make a simple fish fry with turmeric, salt and pepper. Add turmeric, salt, and pepper up to the amount of your fish. Give a good mix. Keep close for at least half an hour. Heat the pan and pour some oil. Now fry the fish pieces until golden brown. Turn all pieces. Apply sauce for the roasted side. Turn back once again. And apply sauce for the other side too. It's done! Squeeze some lime before you serve. It's yummy! Like, share and subscribe! Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with ShaMai Corner.